Chrysler Town and Country, not starting, benzene, petrol engine. And what I found that this fuel pump is not working. And check the power supply to fuel pump is no power supply. So looking and decide that this one unit is broken. So open it little by little, some rust, but this rust, like I see, it's not dangerous. This is not problem of this. So also here was some water, but it's also not danger. Yes, maybe bad connection, but it's okay. But what I found that problem is this relay, this small relay. So try to change it. I think I make cables to out, and after we can change what we want, and there's no problem anymore. So this small relay, very small, I think it's too much small, that's why it's losing contact inside, and always fuses. Of course I make picture before I open, so after I put everything back. So what I have done, I have soldered out this small original relay very like this. Take it out from the board. This is broken. It's absolutely too small. So throw away it. And what I found out, there is what it must be. So this connector and this is signal, is controlling relay. So this is, you can use thin wires, but this connector and this is controlling full pump, is going power by this. So I decide solder it by side because it's same connection, and here is same connection, and I not put inside in this hole, I just solder it on close here, and I get 4 wires. These 2 wires goes to, I have also relay, normal simple relay. So these 2 wires goes to these big wires, and these small wires goes to those 2 blue wires. I choose cable, so, and after we have relay outside. I cut a hole inside board that I can take out all these cables. Everything will be under a roof because this standing like this, and it go down, and somewhere here we gonna have a relay, and it can work. This is strong big normal relay, 100 years it can work, not like this baby relay. Where we have this baby relay, yes, this baby relay. How they think like that, I don't know, to put this small. But if maybe they want to fix after, that's why. Okay, now put everything back, and I think it works. Okay, bye bye. Finish. This looks like that. Relay with cables, After you can change relay. I think I put it here somewhere, like this. Put all connections and it goes. So